Good morning, students. Here I am going to take a new chapter, ratio and proportion. I know that this ratio and proportion is not a new chapter for you. You have already been studied this topic in your earlier classes. Anyway, what's the meaning of ratio? Ratio means the comparison of two quantities of the same kind. What's the ratio? Ratio means the comparison between two quantities of the same kind. For example, the weight of Surya is 60 kg. The weight of Surya is 60 kg and the weight of Tamburani is suppose 70 kg. Understand? Here we compare the weight between Surya and Tamburani. Then how to write that? The weight of Surya is 60 and the weight of Tamburani is 70. We write this in the ratio form means 60:70. Understand? Ratio, the notation is to 60:70. Or we compare the height of Achu and Tanvi. The height of Achu, suppose 165 centimeter and that of Tasnim is 155 centimeter. Therefore, here we can write 165:155. Understand? Here, if you compare any two quantities of the same ratio, then A:B is the notation for ratio. Here we compare A and B, and A:B means A by B. Understand? A:B means A by B. Look here. Then here the first one is 60:70 means 60/70. And remember one thing, always write the ratio in its lowest terms. Therefore, how can you write this 60/70? 0 cancel. Therefore, that is 6/7. Or when you write the ratio, or suppose the question is write in the ratio form, you have to write 6:7. Then how can you write the height of Achu and Tasnim? 165:155 means 165/155. What is that? 5 3s are 15, 33/31. Listen, that means comparison of same quantities is known as ratio. Now, write one question. If 3a plus 2b is to, if 3a plus 2b is to 5a plus 3b, 5a plus 3b equal to 18:29. 18:29. Find A:B. What's the question? Find A:B. Understand? Now we can put here A is equal to, or right, what is this? 3a plus 2b by 5a plus 3b is equal to 18/29. Now here, first method, you can cross multiply this. 29 into 3a plus 2b is equal to 18 into 5a plus 3b. Now opening the bracket, you will get 87a plus 29 into 3, 87a plus 58b is equal to 90a plus 54b. Understand? Just cross multiply, then you will get 3a is equal to, converting this in the other side and here, 3a is equal to 4b, or a by b is equal to 4 by 3. What is a by b? 4 by 3, or we can write that is equal to 4 is to 3. 4 is to 3. Now, second problem, if a is to b is equal to, right, a is to b is equal to 5 is to 3. If a is to b equal to 5 is to 3, find 5a plus 8b is to 6a minus 7b. 6a minus 7b. Here what is given? A is to b equal to, that means a by b equal to 5 by 3. Now we can take it as a is equal to 5k. Some other, a is equal to 5k and b is equal to 3k. A is equal to 5k and b is equal to 3k. Then copy this part. 5a plus 8b by 6a minus 7b. That is 5 into, what is a? A is equal to 5k plus 8 into 3k by 6 into 5k minus 7 into 3k. What is 5 5s are? 5 5s are 25k plus 24k by 30k minus 21k. 25 plus 24, that is 49k by 30 minus 21. What is 30 minus 21? 9k. K cancel. The answer A is to B. Understand? A is to B means 49 by 9 or 49 is to 9. 49 is to 9. Right, then heading composition of ratios. Composition of ratios. The first one is compound ratio. Write down compound ratio. Look here. If A is to B equal to C is to D. A is to B equal to C is to D. Or A is to B and C is to D are any two ratios. A is to B and C is to D are any two ratios. Then compound ratio means A into C, B into D. What is compound ratio? A into C and B into D. Or A is to B one ratio, C is to D another ratio, and E is to F the third ratio. Then what is the meaning? Compound ratio means A into C into E, B into D into F. Here, in the case of A is to B, A is known as the antecedent and B is known as the consequent. A is known as the antecedent and B is known as the consequent. Here, the second one is duplicate ratio, right? Duplicate ratio. Duplicate ratio. Ratio of A is to B. Duplicate ratio of A is to B is A square is to B square. What is duplicate ratio of A is to B? A square is to B square. Write one example. What is the duplicate ratio of 2 is to 3? That is 2 square is to 3 square. That is 4 is to 9. Then next one is triplicate ratio. Triplicate ratio of A is to B is A cube is to B cube. Triplicate ratio of A is to B is A cube is to B cube. Write one example. What is the triplicate ratio of 3 is to 5? 3 cube is to 5 cube. What is 3 cube? 27 is to 125. Listen. The next one is subduplicate ratio. Subduplicate ratio. Here this is duplicate ratio. Then subduplicate ratio of A is to B is root A is to root B. If duplicate ratio is the square, then subduplicate ratio of A is to B is root A is to root B. Then can you say what is the subduplicate ratio of 16 is to 25? 16 is to 25. What is the subduplicate ratio? Root 16. That is 4 is to root 25 is 5. 4 is to 5. Then one more. Triplicate ratio. Subtriplicate ratio of A is to B. What's the heading? Subtriplicate ratio means subtriplicate ratio of A is to B means cube root of A is to cube root of B. Subtriplicate ratio means taking the cube root. That is, for example, 64 is to 125. Write the subtriplicate ratio of 64 is to 125 is cube root of 64 is 4 and cube root of 125 is 5. Therefore, the answer is 4 is to 5. Okay.